Hello, this is Miss Wong again. I am going to show you how to put it in the right category after you import the lessons from Commons. I think last time when I recorded the video I didn't touch on that. So I'm back on my Canvas. When you get to your Canvas, remember I used my language art course last time, so I'm going to go back to my language art. And then on the assignment, if I go, now you're going to see one more category where it says imported assignments. Now, when you see that, notice how this over here is X'd out, meaning it's not going to be synced to Skyward. So I'm going to click on that first. Sync to Skyward EA is disabled. Before we do that, I learned my lesson. I need to set my due date. Let's say I'm gonna make my due date by next Friday, and then I'm going to sync to Skyward EA, and I'm going to save it. Now this has the green button. Now I need to import this. I need to move this to the correct category so it will transfer over to Skyward correctly. So the way you can do this is you are going to click on this, or you can simply drag it to the right category. So once again, you can move around with the assignment, so you can just click it and drag it over to the right category. I will leave this alone because you're going to be end up transferring a lot of assignments from Commons, so I'm going to leave that alone. But remember, we can move around. We can make it this to the front. I can make it this to the second assignment, blah, 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 blah. So the way you can set it up is up to you. You can use the, you can drag it around to see which category is correct for you. And that's how you set up your imported assignments from Commons. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you.